Hey ladies, it's Sarah from mycolorstreet.com, Simply Sarah, and you are holding in your hands your sample pack. And I wanted to talk first of what is inside of your sample pack. So you would have received this from me in person or in the mail. So go ahead and open up your pack. Okay, and so what you'll first off see is my business card, which has all the ways to contact me. You've got a nail prep pad, a file, and your twosies. So to prep your nails, it's super simple. All you need to do is give your hands a good wash and dry. You want to get off all of the oil or any lotion you have. The oil and lotion will keep your nail sets from sticking to your fingernails. Pretty frustrating. So you want to clip your fingernails to the size you want. If you have short nails like me, each of these sets, this one single strip here is actually going to cover 2 nails, which is lovely. So the twosie pack should cover 4 of your nails. If your nails are long, it'll be enough to cover 2. Part of your nail prep would be to push back your cuticles. I use an orange wood stick to do mine. If you can see, the base of the nail strip is curved and you want to get a nice curve on your nails to fit that. If you've ever had a problem with acrylics or gels sticking to your nails, maybe they pop off, you might have very oily nail beds. And if you use that blue soap bottle of Dawn, I hear it does a great job at cutting the grease. So next is, once you've prepped your nails, sorry about that, use your nail pad as the final cleaning. So we're gonna do these 3 or perfect. Okay, you want to cut open your sample pack, and you may notice a slight scent of nail polish, which dissipates pretty quickly. So I do not like the smell of nail polish overpowering us in the house, and that's one of the reasons I absolutely love Color Street is I don't have to deal with the smell of nail polish. Now this twosie pack you have has 2 different sizes. This one has an equal top and a bottom, and this one has a little wider of a bottom and a skinnier top. So you take them and you simply spread them apart, and you take your nail strip and you try to fit it the best way on the best nail that it fits. I like this the way it fits here. You don't want your nail strip touching your cuticle or resting on your cuticle. You want to just get it on your nail bed or your nail, the actual nail, because if it's on your cuticle, it'll end up having a tendency to peel off. So get those cuticles pushed back well, size it correctly. All right. The lovely thing about Color Street is it's extremely forgiving. So if you, like me, putting things on crooked, you will be able to reposition it with no problem. So, sorry, I didn't say what I was doing. That first, it's a clear top coat, trash, you pull that off. Next is the actual Color Street nail strip that you're going to be peeling away from this bottom. Now, Color Street is, it does have 3 layers in there. It does have a base coat and a regular polish coat and then a top coat in it already. Then you grab this little tab, you pull the strip off, and you'll notice totally dry and sticky on the bottom. So I just scoot it around, get it where I want it. See if it's got a good fit. And then I push it from the base out, right, just like that. I found it easier for me. Some ladies will cut the strip before they put it on. Others, like me, I cut it after I've put it on my nails. It's just easier for me to do it that way. So I cut it. So then you take that strip and you want to pull it over the actual nail, and it's going to cure or like dry because the bottom, like you saw, the bottom is sticky. It's got a tackiness to it, and so I curve it over there and I let it sit that way for about 10 minutes. And if you're doing your own nails, you always want to do your thumb last because you use your thumbnail to then just pinch it away and you peel off that excess nail strip. So let me get this onto the other side. So you peel off that tab like you just saw me do. take this out of the way. Get it as close to my cuticle as I can. Push it back from the base. Okay, and the same thing, I fold it over. So I'm gonna, again, let that cure for about 10 minutes before I totally remove it. And that is it. That is applying your sample pack. So you can go ahead and use this on another nail of yours, and then I would paint your other nails with regular nail polish so you can watch the wear of the Color Street up against regular polish. You can find me at colorstreet.com / actually it's mycolorstreet.com / Simply Sarah. And from there you can connect to my Facebook group. We have often do free giveaways, raffles, and lots of information, videos, and tons of different pictures of what people do with their Color Street. All right, enjoy.